If you want to attract great tenants and keep your rental property competitive in 2024, it's important to know what features Kansas City renters are looking for. Tenant preferences change over time, and staying on top of those trends can make all the difference in keeping your property filled. Today, we're going to cover the top 5 rental property features Kansas City tenants are looking for in 2024, so you can keep your property competitive and boost your rental income. First, let's talk about energy efficiency. More and more renters are paying attention to how energy efficient their home is, not only because it's better for the environment, but also because it saves them money on utilities. Kansas City tenants, like renters across the country, are starting to demand energy-efficient features like insulated windows, smart thermostats, and energy-efficient appliances. Adding these features not only makes your property more appealing, but can also justify charging higher rent. A smart thermostat, for example, allows tenants to control their heating and cooling more efficiently, leading to lower energy bills. This is especially important in Kansas City, where we experience hot summers and cold winters. Tenants are always looking for ways to save on utilities, so energy efficiency is a big selling point in 2024. The second feature tenants are looking for is modern technology. We live in a tech-driven world, and renters want homes that make their lives easier. Properties equipped with smart home features like keyless entry, smart lighting, and smart locks are becoming increasingly popular. Tenants, especially younger generations like millennials and Gen Z, want the convenience of being able to control their home's security or temperature from their smartphone. By offering these upgrades, you can stand out from other properties and attract tech-savvy renters who are willing to pay a little more for that convenience. A smart lock, for instance, allows tenants to enter the property without worrying about losing keys, and it adds a layer of security that's highly valued. The third feature on the list is outdoor space. With more people working from home or spending time at home than ever before, having access to outdoor space is a high priority for renters. Kansas City tenants are looking for properties with balconies, patios, or even small yards where they can relax, entertain, or just enjoy some fresh air. If your property doesn't have a large yard, even offering a small patio or shared outdoor space can make a big difference. If you already have outdoor space, consider enhancing it with simple landscaping or adding seating areas to make it more appealing. Tenants will appreciate having a private or semi-private area to enjoy, and this feature can help you charge more rent and retain tenants longer. Another key feature Kansas City tenants are looking for in 2024 is updated kitchens and bathrooms. These are the areas that tenants pay close attention to when deciding whether or not to rent a property. You don't need to do a full renovation, but updating old countertops, cabinets, or fixtures can go a long way. Modernizing these spaces with stainless steel appliances, granite or quartz countertops, and sleek, modern fixtures will make your property stand out. Tenants are drawn to clean, functional, and modern spaces, and the kitchen and bathroom are 2 areas where you can make a big impact. These upgrades also allow you to justify charging higher rent, as tenants are willing to pay for the added value. Finally, let's talk about in-unit laundry. This might seem like a small detail, but it's one of the most sought-after features for Kansas City renters in 2024. Tenants don't want to deal with the hassle of going to a laundromat or using a shared laundry facility. Having in-unit laundry, even if it's a compact washer and dryer, makes a huge difference. If your property doesn't currently offer this feature, consider adding it. It's a small investment that can make your property much more attractive to renters and allow you to charge higher rent. Tenants value convenience, and not having to leave their home to do laundry is a big selling point. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in helping landlords optimize their rental properties to attract and retain the best tenants. We stay up to date with the latest trends and work with our clients to ensure their properties are competitive in the Kansas City market. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. In conclusion, staying on top of what tenants want is the key to keeping your rental property competitive and profitable. In 2024, Kansas City tenants are looking for energy efficiency, modern tech features, outdoor space, updated kitchens and bathrooms, and in-unit laundry. By investing in these areas, you'll not only attract high-quality tenants, but also increase your rental income and property value. If you need help managing your property or making upgrades to meet tenant expectations, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.